That's even work. That's even more work.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. That is.
I don't. Not,
You,
what do you?
So stop focusing on you. Focus on me. That's.
I was.
Sensational. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know.
I'm about to quit YouTube. You hear me?
Huh?
I'm about to quit YouTube.
About to quit?
Mm-hmm.
Why you say that?
I'm burned out.
You're done with the whole YouTube thing?
I think I'm burned out.
Huh?
So I think I'm burnt out.
In front of the people who are watching this bodybuilder, while all eyes are on
Okay.
I am fickle. I am not passionate and driven enough to keep doing it, keep up the upkeep. I exercise and do things, and then I forget to film it, and then I don't know. I was motivated for a good 9-10 months, and then I'm just like, I don't want to do it no more. Vlogging is pointless because in reality, if folks don't already have an affinity towards your videos or your content to some degree, to already have that pull into watching you, no one's going to care about your life, your lifestyle. So they have to be drawn to you for one particular thing and consistently watching you for that one particular thing for them to even care or engage with your new thing that you're throwing at them. They have to care. They don't know you to care. They got to get to know you to care and have to want to get to know you to care. I'm sitting there thinking why do I watch certain people? Why do I observe vlogs? Why do I find myself wanting to repeatedly watch certain people? What is it about their life that I care about? Like when you watch your fragrance reviewers and the things that they show, despite the content that they're showing, the actual bottles that they're reviewing, what is it about this particular reviewer? I like the way he or she presents it, so I want to keep watching it because I like her style, his style. It has to be something, because the content is the same across the board, but what makes it different is okay, I like this person.
I can relate to them, or...
Yeah, for me too, I can relate to them. I can't... Sometimes it's the age demographic. I can relate to, sometimes moms more, or, sometimes their ethnicity more, or even where they live, or I'm excited to see what they're going to show about where they live because I don't live there or I never visited there before. Mm-hmm. Could be a number of things. So I'm just I don't know. Sometimes I think I'm not interesting enough. I don't do anything outlandish. I don't travel.
Maybe you can just...
I don't know.
Okay, so
I'm just ranting because I'm just I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's not worth it. I have a whole vlog up from that I recorded from when Sebastian was sick and had pneumonia and going to, the urgent care center. And I haven't edited to post it because I was even in that video, I'm who cares about this? Who cares about watching me trying to keep my child healthy? It's I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's
you might reach one person. You might reach two people.
And then my whole demographic of people who watch my stuff is dudes. So why? I know women happen to be passing by to watch videos, but I'm y'all care? Do you care? I'm talking to you right now, watching this right now. Do you care if I even post this? know. I don't know. I have a headache. Maybe I'm talking through my headache because my behind my eyelids is just on fire right now. I don't know.
Only you will know, Mama.
I don't know. I say this like every time. I was like, I am not a driven person in this way to not see. I don't know. Like, I'm not a commission worker. I'm not I can't. It's so hard for me to step in that kind of arena of just no guarantee creativity type things. I just can't. I just need to know this is what I'm doing. This is what I get paid. I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna get paid. I can't have to. The ambiguity is just not in me. It's such a crapshoot. My brain hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. Oh. What in the world?
Can you pass me?
What is that?
What is what?
There's some weird videos on your
You see my
feed.
work phone? What did I just do?
With your what?
My work phone. I just had my work phone. I'm probably looking directly at it right now too.
I don't know. I don't know. Say your suggestions. Tell them about the gun line, boss.
I was going to suggest that.
And plus, I don't want folks to know I got a YouTube, which goes against everything that you actually need to have your YouTube successful.
I was going to suggest.
I don't like sharing my information. I don't know.
Kidney diseases have become.
I don't know. Maybe I'm a scaredy cat. I'm tired. I'm too old for this. For this stress. I got enough stress in real life. What's your suggestion? Stop complaining and get to work and do some squats?
Nope.
Oh.
My suggestion would be to
Tired.
help me with my channel instead of focusing on your own. You can be behind.
That's even work. That's even more work.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. That is.
I don't. What do you?
So stop focusing on you. Focus on me. That's.
I would say a great man's success. A great man's success is with a great a woman behind him. In the sense of you don't want to do this.
I don't want to do none of it.
So you being behind the camera and being
But
behind.
your suggestion is even more work for me.
It wouldn't be.
So if it is. Yes, it is.
Well,
That's
I was only saying
absolutely more work.
I was saying in the sense that my channel is.
Is that Rambo?
My channel is semi-successful, and with two minds behind that, helping that grow, it could probably be more beneficial to the actual success of the channel. Meaning,
That sounds real selfish, though, man.
I don't.
That's not because you sound like that. Well, stop doing you and help me.
Well, yeah, I did say that because you don't want to do you. You doing this.
I don't want to do.
You don't want to do this. You're only doing it because you don't have anything that you have a passion for. You keep trying to find a passion for something, and
That doesn't mean that the energy that I don't have for me, I'm going to have it for you.
I didn't say do it. I didn't say have.
But still a forceful thing.
It's not. It was a suggestion. It was
I
saying.
I understand your suggestion, but I'm thinking through your suggestion.
Said being behind me and being behind the camera, or being in a position where you would help this part of YouTube be more successful, where it would be maybe more ideas, more brainstorming, help with creative editing, help with you know, making
Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl?